Harness the global reach of the RapNet trading community with buy requests. When you enter the buy request page, you'll see a list of all current buy requests on RapNet, with the more recent at the top. Click here to see requests that you have made, and click Add Request if you want to make a new request. A new panel will open. Simply fill in the details of the diamond you want to buy, adding as many details as possible to get accurate results from sellers. Get notifications via your RapNet inbox each time matching diamonds are uploaded to RapNet, or simply choose to receive a daily summary. Select an expiration date so your request can stay open for as long as required. When done, select Post Buy Request. You can also filter the list to find requests relevant to you. And click a listing for more details. Select one or more listings to perform additional actions, including printing or exporting to a CSV file.